What's up, guys? CryptoSavy here, still on vacation. Sorry about the visuals in the background, but anyways, we are going to take a look at Bitcoin today and see what is going on. Is there going to be a huge move today? I think that's possible today or tomorrow. We're going to take a look at both case scenarios. Definitely stick around. Don't forget we have a free Discord group in the description below the video, and let's get on with it. Alright guys, as always, it's not financial advice, trading advice, nor is it investment advice. And don't forget, we're giving a free Kobo Vault Generation 2 hard wallet. We're doing a giveaway tomorrow. All you got to do to enter to win is hit the like, make sure you leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. That will get you entered to win. I'll pick a random comment from a random video throughout the week, and let's get into it. Alright, looking at the monthly, as you guys know, I'll just go over it real quick for those who haven't seen. We have higher highs in the price action in the monthly, lower highs in the RSI, that is bearish divergence. A close of the monthly above 93.40, and I think we'll be pretty damn bullish. But keep in mind, I still am looking at this 55 EMA down here, about 5,400. That'd be retesting the top of this falling channel. Also, the 8 EMA right now lies right around the 8,700. I think there's a good possibility we will be heading to that range. Sorry guys, vacation. I'm a little out of the norm here. So, anyways, same thing in the weekly. Higher highs in the price action, lower highs in the RSI. It does look like we're most likely going to come down to retest this trend line in this falling channel. The bullish case scenario would be looking at this as a falling broadening wedge that we have broken out of, and the measured move of that is 16,000. But to even begin to go bullish there, we would need to close the weekly above 9,800, which is this long-term trend line here, and that is a close of the weekly tomorrow above 97 or above 98 would be bullish in my opinion. Other than that, I remain bearish, guys. We are beating on this resistance line right here on the daily as of right now. Let's take a look at the EMAs. The EMAs are still looking like they want to cross bearish unless we get a big move up today. We would have to break the 92.20 range. If we break that today, we could be heading up to retest the yellow trend line here, approximately $9,400 to $9,500 range, if we're able to break that 92.20. Other than that, I think we continue down to test the 200 EMA on the daily around the 8,700 range. The 87's coming up quite a bit. Let's take a look at, before we look at the RSI, we're going to take a look at these trend lines. The white rising channel here, both white trend lines, measured move of that is 6,900. And if we look at the orange trend line, measured move of that is 5,600. And the measured move of the pink trend line is 4,400, and the yellow trend line, which is the latest we've broke down from, gets us down to about the 4,030. We could draw another trend line from this wick to these wicks here. I'm sure it would line up pretty good, but when we know we really have a break, we're going to see massive volume come out of this. As you can see, the volume's declining to nothing on the daily. Let's take a look at my other daily chart here without the EMAs on it. Same thing, we have this, you could call it a triangle here, but as you can see, we did wick down below this trend line one time. We are getting resistance still on the top, like I said, around 92.20. Watch that area today. If we break that, we could be, having a breakout to the upside, but I'll show you the targets that I think could still be a bull trap there. Let's take a look at, you know what, we didn't take a look at the RSI over here. I wanted to do that. So on the RSI, we had been watching this as left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We broke down below the neckline, broke back above it. We were getting support there for a little while, broke below it. Today, we could come up, get a little run up, and close up around that neckline again before continuing down. So that would make the down move tomorrow. I think it's more likely tomorrow, but we could have it today. Definitely keep your eyes peeled. And let's take measured moves here. If we take a measured move of this, looking at it as a triangle, that would get us down to, if we broke, right around that 7140, which is the 0.5 fib. Let's take a look at the fibs real quick. We go from the swing low to the swing high. We drop the Fibonacci retracements on it. 88.90 has been our support, which is the 0.236. A break of that would bring us down to that $8,500 to $8,700 range. A break of that brings us down to the 0.382, which is 79.40. And then, of course, we have some support at 77. If that doesn't hold, 71.41, which is the measured move here. That would be the 0.5 fib. And then, of course, the golden pocket zone between 6150 and 6400. And we've talked about this plenty of times, but I'm going to show it one more time. I am looking at this as a possible inverse head and shoulders with the left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. If it was to come down to that golden pocket zone and back up, that would be a very nice inverse head and shoulders. And I would think a break of that 10.5 and then making it support would be the actual real bull run beginning. And I don't think it would be just a super fast move up. I don't think we're going to see the super, the actual parabolic bull run till at least next year, 2021, possibly further. I have a chart that I've shown you guys before showing that, but anyway, if that golden pocket doesn't hold, then we're looking at our target of the 5,400. That doesn't hold, 5250 is a 0.786. And then remember, we have a CME gap all the way down at 3,500. Let's move up a little bit into the 4 hour. Get the RSI out of the way. Let's take a look at the EMAs on the 4 hour and see what's going on. So as of right now, we are getting rejected at the 55 EMA, which is around 91.90. The 200 EMA lies around 92.35, right in that range. So at 92.20 to 92.40, a break of that, we might get another push up, and I will show you in the 1 hour what my targets are for that. Let's take a look at this rising channel here and take a look at the measured move. If we were to break down from here, that gets us to that 70, 7120, 7140 range, right in there, which is the 0.5 fib. That is definitely a possibility. If we were to come directly down, which I don't see happening, but if we did, to come test the bottom of this channel here, would be around the 79.30, 79.40, right in that range, same range. But we take a look at this falling channel and we were to break up today, that would be a possibility to go test that 10,450 range. I don't think we're going to do that, but it's, keep it in mind. Anything could happen. It is the weekend. Let's look at the 1 hour, and I'll take a look at what I think we could see as a bull trap. And as of right now, we did a Fibonacci retracement from the swing high to the swing low here. And as you can see, as of right now, we're still getting resistance at the 0.382, which is the 91.88. Break of that, we could go as high as the 9,300 and still be extremely bearish at the 0.5 fib. A break of that would be breaking some other levels, and I'll talk about that in a second. But the 0.618, which we got rejected at over here, the golden pocket zone, if we were to make it back up there and break through this, 0.786 is the 95.84 range. I still believe if we get up there, that would be a massive bull trap and we would continue down from there. But obviously a break of these highs over here and we're just going to continue up. It could go either way. I'm telling you my opinion, and my opinion is we continue down. But yeah, let's take another look at this as a rising channel that we fell out of. We take the measured move of where we broke. That gets us down to about the 8,800. Coming up to retest the bottom of that channel could be about that 93 to 93.50 range, depending on how long it took. But either way, guys, I'm still bearish here. I think we're going to see some lower lows. Again, I could be wrong. Make sure you do your own due diligence. If you guys are interested in trading, I'll leave a Prime XBT tutorial up top. Definitely check it out. You can use my promo code Savy50. It'll get you 50% on top of whatever you deposit up to 1 Bitcoin. And Savvy 25 will get you 25% off of your trading fees for a month. So anyways, that's what I'm looking at, guys. I think we're still extremely bearish here. Let's look at the EMAs in the 1 hour. And like I said, the 200 EMAs lining right up with that 91.88. If we do get a break of that, make it support, the next stop we can look for is around that between 92.20 and 9300. Another bullish look of this is looking at these red trend lines as a falling channel, which I don't really like. There's not a whole lot of touches, but that would lead up to that 10,400 as a break of this. Again, guys, I don't think it's going to happen. Highest I think we can go is at 50 or 95.80 and a major rejection from there. I know the bulls are super bullish right now and the bears are super bearish. I am a bear, long-term bull. I believe in Bitcoin and what it's about, and I also hold Bitcoin, not just trade it. So anyways, thanks for stopping in. I appreciate it. Don't forget to smash the likes, leave your comments down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and tick that notification bell to get you notified when I post videos. And make sure you select all after you do that. Take it easy. Have a great day. I'm out.